Hey Siri, turn on the outside lights.
Okay, done. Perform scene turn outside lights on successful.
It's not magic. It's not, is it?
Or rocket science.
Or rocket science. You need two things. That's what we're going to be fitting today. First of all, the light that is on the side is one of these boys.
It's a Labcraft S18.
It's like turning daylight on outside because it produces
1200 lumens.
Which is kind of bright. This is a Wi-Fi LED switch and it basically just connects to your phone, which we will demonstrate in a minute because we're going to fit another one of these to the other side of the van.
Because we haven't got enough lights on this van. Have we, Neil?
Blah, 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 blah.
Excuse you?
That is the light. We're going to be leaving all the links in the description below for the light and for the switch. We will demonstrate the light at the end of the video when it's pretty much dark, isn't it?
Well, yeah, you get to see the light better then. That's what they're there for. Did you not know?
Wow, you enlightened me there.
Ba-boom.
Anyway, but...
Take it. Enlighten me.
That is the light. They're not the cheapest of lights, are they?
No, they're not.
They're round about
£60?
Yeah, something like that. But one thing I will say about them is these boys kick off a ridiculous amount of light.
How do you know the boys?
Because they've got 4 nipples.
Boys have 4 nipples?
Oh yeah.
What boys do you know that have 4 nipples?
Well, you need to investigate boys more.
Dickheads.
Right, so the only problem I found with these is it does come with a short cable. Now, I have lengthened the cable before we done the video. So we need to mount this on the side. Right, so we're going to be putting our light just on there, facing that way. Emma's going to get inside, pull the cable through. As I push the cable through there, then we'll fix it on there.
When Neil puts the cable through the hole that he's pre-drilled up there, I'm going to pop my hand up and in the hole in here and try and reach and grab the cable and pull it through and down.
My first thing to remember is when you're putting your light on, it does come with this, which is a little foam baffle that just keeps it all waterproof. So don't forget to thread your cable through this first. The light is going to go on just like that. We need to get the wire through so Emma can grab it from the inside and then we can go from there. Right, now we've got the wire through, it's time to attach this to the skin of the van. Literally just going to use 2 self-tapping screws to keep this fixed to the van. Once that's screwed on, put your little caps on.
Even though we've pulled the cable through here,
the cable needs to come through in the back of this cupboard because that's where one of the fuse boxes is. We've got to get Emma's cable back through there, through this cupboard, straight down into there. We got this cable connected to a bit of wire and then we're going to try and pull it all the way through to the cupboards, get it through into the fuse box. This should be interesting. One cable. On the Wi-Fi device you'll see there's 2 cables. On either end it'll say input and output. The only problem we've got is it's got these connections on. We don't need these connections. So we can take these connections.
snip snip. Snip snip.
Obviously red is going to be your positive, black is going to be your negative. We need a positive and negative feed going from a live in, and then this end, which is the output, which is really hard to see, you can't see it properly there, but that says output, that then goes to your light. Okay, so once your actual unit is connected to your light going out and then it's connected to your fuse box in there, you then need to open your phone. You then download and you search for an app called Magic Home Pro. Open it up, there'll be a plus in the corner, you press the plus button and you click add a new device. It will then prompt you to open your Wi-Fi settings. Once you've opened your Wi-Fi settings, you will notice there'll be on there, there'll be another, it'll start with LED. So you press LED, open that up, let it do its thing. Then you go back to the Magic Home app. Then it allows the app to choose the Wi-Fi network that particular Wi-Fi dongle is going to work on. So we want it on Eva, which is the Wi-Fi that's in the van. Don't forget, you do need Wi-Fi. Does help, doesn't it?
It does help.
Then it will start connecting, like you can see on the screen. It may take you a couple of minutes, it may not. It's done. Then you can also give the controller a name. I suggest you name it what the actual light is. So driver side light, then click done. Now you have driver side light on. You can then control it via the app. So let's go outside and see if it works. So we can see the light, we've got our app, we can open our app, we can press the button to turn the light on, and there you go. You can see the light's on, press it off, the light goes off, press it on, off. Right, here's the magic part. Now we need to set up a scene. To have it done by voice, open your phone again. I'll show you on screen. There you go. So, top right hand corner, you press the plus button. Then you press create scene. You give the scene a name. So we're going to call it driver light. You click OK. Then it will open that section which asks you which device you want to activate for driver's light, which means the dongle you've just fitted. So you click add device. Then in the list there you will see driver's light. Click OK. Then you can do add to Siri. So click the add to Siri button and then you record a phrase. Turn on driver light. Click done, then click done again, and then that should be set up for voice activation. If we click back again, go into your scenes and you'll see at the very bottom there it says driver light. Now let's test it. Right, so let's test it. Hey Siri, turn on the driver light.
Allow turn on driver light to share data with Magic Home. Allow or don't allow.
That's the message you're going to get first off Siri. Press allow.
Okay.
Yeah, it's on.
Okay, so it works for it to be on. Now, this could get a little bit complicated, but we'll share the screen and show you what you need to do next. So to turn the driver light off, you then need to set up another scene for it to turn off. So again, press create scene. Give the scene a name. Driver light off. Click OK. Then add a device. Driver light. Click OK. Click on the driver light and then you'll see turn the light off. Then we can add it to Siri. Turn off the driver light. Click OK. Click done. Now we can test whether it works on and off. Hey Siri, turn off the driver light.
Allow turn off the driver light to share data with Magic Home.
Again,
allow or don't allow.
You're going to get that response of Siri. Click allow.
Okay, done. Perform scene driver light off successful.
So that's it. It's pretty simple. It's just if you follow those instructions that we've done, the setting up on the app, then you can have all your lights working via Wi-Fi. So now, stupid question time. Do you have any?
Yeah.
Go
what
on.
if you've not got Wi-Fi?
If you haven't got Wi-Fi, it's not going to work because it's a Wi-Fi activated system. Next question.
What, have you got no signal on your phone?
If you've got no signal on your phone, it's a possibility that you're not going to be able to connect to the Wi-Fi in the van to actually control the units. So, therefore, You can't use them if you got no signal. Is it as good as a switch? No. Is it fancy and modern day and all fancy glowing, showy offy sort of?
Fandangly.
I like that one.
Fandangly.
It's just a posh thing. It's just something a little bit like, ooh, I can control my van lights via my phone.
Right, but when the lights came on,
Yes.
and then the lights stayed on, how did they stay on?
Because the actual light switches the electricity current and allows the light to come on. Which is actually a good question. Do they split off the positive or do they split off the negative?
I know this one.
How?
What do you mean, how? I
Go
live
on.
with you.
Okay, so that is the burning question. Does the actual switch itself, does it immobilize the negative or positive?
Negative.
It immobilizes the negative feed.
Yeah.
So it means that your light has always got a positive feed going to it. In most cases, not a problem. Just make sure it's fused. Make sure you've got the safety of a fuse on there and make sure.
Did you fuse ours?
Yes.
And why did you fuse ours? For that reason.
For that reason, yeah. Because you are breaking the negative feed, which means that you've always got a 12 volt live going to the appliance. Which, okay, loads of people are going to be going, I'm moaning. Just, that's what they're going to do. That's just the way it is. What? That's what they do. Yeah. That's just the way it is. We didn't invent it.
No.
No, wasn't us.
No.
If we would have invented it, we'd have done it so it cut off the positive feed. But we didn't.
Can you do that?
Probably. Emma's really excited because something has arrived.
It's all shiny.
What is? What are you doing under there?
Nothing.
Reveal your goods, young lady. Ooh. Ooh.
Shiny.
Look at those boys. Are they available from anywhere?
The website. They're mine.
Hang on, you haven't just got one. You've got a few of them here.
Mine.
No, you've got one. Oh, them boys. Holographic. So, if people do want one of these, where do you get them from?
From the website, babe.
What's the website called?
I don't know anymore. It gets changed every week, you know? Someone keeps on changing names and doing things and, you know. urbanvanlife.co.uk.
Say that again. urbanvanlife.co.uk.
That's the boy.
If you do want one of these are limited edition.
Are they?
Yeah, because there's only 50 of them.
49.
Okay, 49, probably 48. By the time we give them the Trolls 146.
What?
There's probably going to be about 40 of them left. If you do want one of these, this is a shameless plug that helps us just buy stuff. They are available on the website. They will be there. The other ones are available. The other ones are available as well. Go to the website. There's going to be it's that website down there right now. There's going to be a link in the description, but it's this one down here. urbanvanlife.co.uk. Go there. Go to merch. The link will be in the description. They're fancy, them, aren't they?
I like these.
You do like them?
I do like them. Can I have one can I have another one for Meep?
No. Right, that's it, we're going, aren't we? Bye bye.
Something wrong with you, you know.
So stickers? Good, aren't they?
And they sent one a Neil.
Go fuck yourself. You cheeky bitch. You're not even fucking funny. Donkey.
So cute.
Alright, Shrek.
Little loose Princess Fiona.
Yeah, true, she's bigger. Oh, what's in there? Come here.
No.
What's in there? Sticker thief. Go. So we need to mount this on the side. The S18 is... What are you laughing at?
Sorry, just the word mount. Don't know why. You just like to mount things, don't you, babe? Sorry. Anyway. Carry on.
We're quite finished. Oh no! She's broke. We're going to be getting pig noises in a minute.
Sorry.
It's okay. It happens. She mapped us light. Mount the night with all the little nipples.
Oh, I can't breathe.